Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Touareg R-Line 3.0 TDI 4M with 231 horsepower. This luxurious estate model in white is a showstopper with its 3-litre engine and sleek design. Packed with features like cruise control, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a safe and comfortable ride every time. Plus, with ABS, lane departure warning and trailer stability program, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle with an illuminated logo and luxury trim. Fully serviced and covered by a comprehensive warranty, this Touareg is ready for its new owner. Contact us at mullingarautos.ie for more information.